Today's celebration started with a look back from the groundbreaking through construction and finally the completion of ASU's Interdisciplinary Science and Technology Building 12.
This building is going to be an embedded collaboration model, which means that faculty, students, and industry partners will be working together to advance the use of emerging technologies like robots into practice.
This is a $250 million investment that will focus on high tech like advanced manufacturing, artificial intelligence, robotics, autonomous systems, and more. Governor Katie Hobbs was at today's grand opening.
There is no question for me that Arizona has been so successful in leveraging the emerging advanced manufacturing industry because of ASU.
ISTB 12 is housed on ASU's Polytechnic campus in Mesa, part of ASU's Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering.
We recognize that through this kind of facility and this kind of innovation zone, we have the ability to push forward discovery that will matter for new businesses, new jobs, and also for the education of our students that will be enhanced by the facilities and the approach that we've taken here.
The building is more than 170,000 square feet with interesting features like rainwater collection for its landscaping, solar-ready infrastructure, and plenty of state-of-the-art lab space for students.
This facility and the innovation zone put Arizonans at the center of it all. Our strength lies in our people and our talent, and having world-class labs keeps that talent right here in Arizona, creating new pathways to opportunity to help Arizonans build meaningful careers.
Desiree Flewellen, Fox 10 News.